Oh yeah! All right, let's go. Time to have some fun. Let's go.
Watch that one line! Shit.
That's what I'm talking about, bud.
Name on the way! Name! I love me.
There we go.
They're hit. Yeah. Nick, see Germany. You got one line. They're hit. God damn it.
I got 3 of them.
Are they still? That's good.
They're not behind that hill anymore. They just moved out.
Let's move up. You want to move left or right?
We're going to take this way.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I lost my hat! Damn, I grabbed my hat! Get back, kid! You watch over, damn it! Thank you! Oh! Drop that shit!
There you go. Put fire on that kid.
God, these things are fogging already.
Really?
Fucking kidding? Yeah. Right here? Hey. Oh, they can't. There's one in the window right there. The guy behind the Hey, move around there. I'm over top of you.
Come on, move up. Come on up here.
Okay.
That's what I'm talking about.
And again.
We got a guy over there at that building. Got him.
Why do I keep losing my damn hat?
Okay, you got one guy in here.
All right. Moving up. Come on, move up here.
Clear. Alright.
Oh, hit. Got it. He's done. Moving up. He's friendly. We're friendly.
He's enemy right there. Hey, he's enemy right there.
In that building?
Got him. Got him. Here, we gotta throw it further.
Hey, Chad, we're over. Hey, you, cover me, I'm coming to you.
Gotcha. Oh, hit.
I'm a medic.
All right.
Go. Dylan, I got hit.
And I fell down. Got that battle stuff.
Y'all two coming?
Got him. Got him.
Shut in the face. Hey, guy behind this thing. Hey, are those enemies?
I'm not sure.
Got you in the shoulder.
To be honest with you.
Batteries?
Oh, good shot.
Good.